Is my screen visible to you?
Yeah.
Right. So we are going to continue the last session with the case of introduction to number systems. We are going to discuss some more examples with the conversion, especially with the positional number system. Right. So we are going to start with the conversion of from decimal to another base. Okay, decimal means what is the base number?
10.
10. Okay, so we are going to convert a number which is having a base of 10 to another number to a number in another base. Okay. So what is the first step? Divide the decimal number by the value of the new base. Okay. For example, if you have to convert a number with base 10 to a number with the base 7 means you have to divide by 7 and you have to get its corresponding remainder. You are going to accumulate the reminders and you have to do it in the reverse fashion in order to get the value. Okay. And instead of this theory part, I will show you an example where you can understand things better. Right. So how do you convert 25 to the base 10 to a number to the base 2? Don't look at all these ones, you just tell me. A number with base 10, how do you convert to another number to the base 2? Convert 25 to the base 10 to a number to the base 2. How do you do that? Students, are you all listening? 25 to the base 10 gives 1 to the base 2. Divided by
5.
divided by
Yeah.
students, are you all listening?
Yeah.
Tell me, how do you convert to the another number to the base 2?
Right now,
25. Okay. You write 25 and after that? Come on guys, do you know or not? You divide by 2. Okay. Now 2, how much it will go into 25?
5. 2 is 5. And 12. 12.
Okay, 12. The remainder is?
12.
Remainder is?
Remainder 1.
Okay, 2 12s are 24. It is 25. The remainder is 1. And after that, 2. How much it goes?
1 0 0 1. Are we right?
Yeah, you are right. But tell me the steps.
What?
You are right, but tell me the steps.
First day
6 0 and then 2 3 0.
Divided 1.5.
1 1. Correct?
Yes.
So you write it in this way. Correct? 1 1 0 0, 1. Correct?
Yes, yes.
To the base 2. You shouldn't simply write one number. You should whatever you write it and then to the base 2. Okay, to the base a number. Okay, so the value is 25 to the base 10 is equal to 11001 to the base 2. Okay, right. So in your chat window, just look into the problem. Just solve this problem in your chat window. 42 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 2? 42 to the base 10 equals what to the base 2? Solve right now. Everybody, please take your notebooks. Try to solve them. You are far more intelligent than me, but still solve them and give me the answer. How about others?
Teacher, can you show us the following problem example?
This one, 42 to the base 10. So you didn't understand the previous problem? Did you understand the previous problem?
Yes.
Okay. So should I have to solve this problem?
Maybe this one is can you
Okay.
101.
Okay, 42. How do you divide it?
42, 21 we divide by 2 is
21. Remainder is
0.
0.
0.
2.
Then it's 10.
10.
Correct?
Okay. Remainder.
That one.
2 tens are 20. Remainder is
0.
remainder
0. 1.
0 or 1.
If we divide 10, then there will not be any dividers. Right?
2 into 10. 2 multiplied by 10, you get 20. Here there is 21. So remainder is 1.
1.
And then 2. 2 multiplied by
5.
5 gives 10. Remainder is
0.
why 0?
Because
2 multiplied by 5, you give 10. So remainder is 0. For example, if you have 11, the remainder is 1. Okay, and then 2. How much?
it will be 2 remainder 1.
Okay. And the next one?
The last one is 1 itself. Remainder 0.
So what's the answer?
0, 1, 0, 1.
You shouldn't start from here. You should start from here.
1 0 sometimes.
1,
Here and
0,
Three times.
1, 0, 1, 0 to the base 2. Okay? So that's the answer. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 to the base 2.
Can you give me another example?
Okay, this is your thing. In your chat window. In your chat window. Okay, how do you solve this problem? In your chat window. 952 to the base 10 equal to what? To the base 8.
Teacher, give me some.
It is there in your chat window. 952 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 8? How do you solve it?
Like the same as you showed us before.
Okay, you tell me.
We will divide it by 8, right?
Okay, 952.
We divided by 8.
8. Okay, what do you get?
119.
How do you get 119 all of a sudden? Did you use the calculator?
Yes.
Don't use the calculator. See, 8. You go digit by digit. 8 into what gives 9? 8 into what gives 9?
In 52 we have 8.
8 ones are 8. 8 into 1 gives 8. What is the remainder?
I think
Say, students, listen. I request all the students to please be silent, to please be quiet and listen carefully. Don't use the calculator. Don't use the calculator. You have to do manually. 8 multiplied by what gives 9? 8 into 1 gives 8. What's the remainder? 1. You carry this 1 here.
Yeah. No, we know about this. Right now.
You tell me what's the value? What's the thing here?
1. Not.
Okay, 1. Then carry 7. 72.
1. 8. 7 and 7 no.
72.
9. 1 9.
Okay, remainder?
Yeah. True.
Okay. My suggestion to you again and again, don't use the calculator.
Yeah, we don't use calculators.
Okay, tell me what's the thing here?
Here. Mana? Yeah.
Tell me what comes here. 119. 119.
Okay, we will divide it by 8, right?
Oh yeah, tell me.
And once again, we will go by that. 11, we have 1, and the remainder 7.
3.
Remainder 3.
39.
39 in 39. What's the second step?
Correct? 8 multiplied by 4, you get 32.
Yeah.
Remainder?
Remainder 0.
Remainder 0. How? 8 multiplied by 4, you get 32. But here you have 39. So what's the remainder?
Remainder is 6.
36
7.
minus 32. 7.
7. 7 reminder.
Okay. Now again you divide by 8.
1.
Okay.
1. And reminder is 6.
Okay. So how do you write?
6 1 0 2.
1 6 7
7
0
0
to the base
8.
8. 160 1670 to the base 8. Okay. Right. Okay, we are going to go with the next one. (42) to the base 10 equal to what to the base 16? How do you do that?
By dividing 42.
42 you divide by
16. 16.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
2.
Okay, remainder?
10.
10. Okay. You shouldn't write it as 10. You shouldn't write it as 10. But remember, with the case of 10, how do you designate? In place of 10, what do you write?
10. No, 10. No 10.
See, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In place of 10, it is A.
Yeah.
In place of 11, it is B, C, E, and F.
Yes.
Okay. So what's the remainder here? A. So what's the answer?
Answer is 2A.
2A
2A.
to the base 16.
Yeah. Oh.
You shouldn't write 2A alone. It is wrong. You should write with the base. Only then it is correct. Okay?
Yeah, we got it. Yep.
Right. So this is okay. So can you solve this one?
So, you got it home?
100 to the base 10.
We can do it. It's happened from
100 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 5?
Base 5?
Yes.
Base 5. So we divide 100 by 5.
Okay, everybody, I need the answer. I'm not going to solve it, you are going to solve it. I need answers from everybody.
Yeah, with Jing, teacher. We are Jing in the board.
Okay.
Teacher?
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
No, we are ready.
100.
100. How about others? Did you get this answer? One zero zero to the base 10 equal to what to the base 2?
And
How about everybody? Did you solve?
400.
400.
It's true.
No, no. How about others? How about others?
Others doing in notebook.
Okay. What answer did you get? Others. Two of them got the answer as 400. How about others?
Teacher, you are see me? Do you see me? Do you see us?
Yes, I can see you.
Do you see us?
Yes, I can see.
Can you see this?
Yes, I can see. I can see 400.
Teacher,
Yes.
do you see?
Yes, I can see. I can see 400.
Yeah. Just all answer is this. Is it correct?
Yes, it is correct. But how about others? Did you all solve?
Others also same.
Okay, right, very good. So if you are able to do that correctly, then it's fine. Okay, so simply you shouldn't write it as 400, but you should write 400 to the base 5. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Teacher,
Yes.
give me another problem of this.
Okay, right.
We can
7, 1, 5 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 12?
Base 12.
12.
Yes.
Oh, right now.
give it out.
1715 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 12?
Right now we're
Eleven 35. Is that correct?
Yeah, what is the answer?
11:35.
11.
BAB, yes? BAB.
In the numbers,
Okay. BAB to the base?
It's true?
No, you tell me. BAB to the base?
12.
Base 12.
Okay. How about others? Did you get BAB?
It's true.
No, I'm asking others.
Others.
Students I can see only 2 of them are solving right now. I cannot see you guys solving and telling me the answer. 2 of them, two students are representing and the others are keeping quiet. 3 students are doing it and the others are keeping quiet. See, my motto is that all the students, maybe 10 students, all 10 should solve and should get BAB. Did you get it?
Teacher, what's the correct answer? Please show us. Why?
Maybe it can be like
Yes.
B35.
Yes, BAB is the correct answer. Okay? BAB is the correct answer. What I'm going to do is those right. Those 3 students should not participate. Those 3 students should not participate.
Please understand it.
Yes.
Okay, we understand.
You understood everything? How about others? Everybody understood?
Yes.
Right, okay. We are going to go for the next part. Converting from a base other than 10 to another base other than 10. For example, convert from base 7 to base 5. Okay, let us take in this case. Okay.
Base
So,
7, base.
you take an example. Converting from a base other than 10 to
Okay.
another base other than 10. For example, convert from a number with base 7 to another number with base 5. Let us take in this case. Okay, so what you have to do, convert the original number to a base 10. So whatever will be, for example, 6 base
We
6.
understand.
Okay, convert it to base 10 and after that you convert it to the new base number. I'm going to show you
Yeah,
an
yeah.
example. Okay,
Unit base number.
okay, 545.
5.5 to base 5 is base
5, 4, 5 to the base 6 equal to what to the base 4?
base 4. Okay.
How do you do that?
We convert first base 10, 5, 4, 5.
You convert this base 6 as
Base 10.
base 10.
Yes?
Okay, so how do you convert that? How do you convert that? This is step 1.
Yeah, no.
5, 4, 5 to the base 6 is equal to what to the base 10?
What base 10? What you do?
5
Only.
multiply by 6 power 0 plus
Ah,
4 in multiply by 6 power 1 plus 5 multiply by 6 power 2. So what is this one? 5 multiplied by 6 power 0?
it went on. No, but
What is 5 multiplied by 6 power 0?
No. 36 multiply 5.
5 multiplied by 6 power 0. What is 6 power 0?
5. It is 1 in 1.
6 power 0 is
5
1.
is
5 multiplied by 1 it is
5.
5. Okay. 4
4
multiplied by 6 power 1.
4.
24.
4.
5 multiplied by 6 power 2.
36 multiply 5.
36
Is 1
multiplied by 5.
180.
180. So it is
Yes.
180.
Plus 204. 209.
209 to the base 10.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, what do you do? 209 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 4?
Yes.
Can we move to the next one? 209 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 4?
Yeah, we do it. Can we do it more?
Okay. 209 to the base 10 equal to what to the base 4? You divide it. What do you get?
10. 25, 5.
Okay.
5 and 2
Okay. Remainder?
and 100.
1. 4.
It's 1 and 3.
Remainder?
Reminder, no reminder.
0.
Zero reminder.
Okay. 4.
3 and 1 zero reminder.
Okay. Okay. So what's the answer?
3 1 no 01. 3 1 01. Is correct? Oh, I got it.
Okay. How about everybody else? Did you understand?
Everybody else? Yeah. They are also understand.
Yes. Let's go to find.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you solve this one?
Convert.
Everybody is going to solve it. 1 0 110 to the base 2 equal to what to the base h?
Yeah. That right now we are doing.
So what is the first step? Convert this base 2 into
Base 10.
base 10. Okay.
10, yeah.
So we are not going to continue in the same fashion. Okay.
5, 6.
We are not going to continue in the same fashion. I request the second row. The student with the white shirt. White shirt. Second row.
All the way. Yeah. This
You
guy.
are going to do the first step.
Yeah.
Convert this one to the base 10. You get me the answer. The first step you have to do it.
We should divide it.
So I am going to ask the answer to that student alone.
Right. It doesn't have to. Step by step. I'm lagi sebagai dia kan cibut. We should divide 10 into 2 and 6.
Now multiply by 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. Now this one, 1 0, 1 1 1 0, correct? So you multiply by 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5.
We should calculate all of these numbers in a group.
Yeah, multiply by 2 power 0.
Teacher, why not?
Yes. What? Give it a minute. We are solving.
Solve. But I'll be getting the answer only from that student.
From me?
Yes.
Just a minute. No, no, it's a 0.
And the second part of the question, I think the last row, last student is going to answer. The one who is using the laptop.
Teacher, it's 0, 8, 4, 2, and 0. Step by step. We are
0, 8, 4,
8, 4, 2, 0.
2, 0.
2, 0. Yes.
No,
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 no.
2 0.
2, 0.
Okay, 0, 8, 4, 2, 0. Correct?
Just a minute. Teacher is there.
Can you show it us again? Yeah, it's
No,
true.
no. It's true.
True.
Say, what's the value of this one?
We are multiplying 0 in a 2. Power of 0.
Can you show me how you solved it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Now, why do you go with the arrow mark? Why do you go with the arrow mark?
What?
Why do you go with the arrow mark? You should add everything.
You should from the up to down.
No. You should add. You should add everything.
Add everything? Oh, sorry. Okay.
You should add all.
Yes.
They should all, yeah.
10
and 14.
So 14.
It's 14.
If you're adding all the results, it's 14.
40?
Yes.
4, 0?
1 4.
1, 4. 1, 4?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's true?
It's
No,
true.
it's wrong. It's wrong.
It's wrong. 31.
Why?
31. No. I think we are told it's a wrong way.
Say, just listen. 0 into 2 power 0, what's the value?
0.
Okay. 1 into 2 power 1.
2. Teacher, 2.
Okay, 2. 1 into 2 power 2.
2. 4.
Okay,
Four,
this is
teacher, 4.
4. Okay. 1 into 2 power 3.
8.
8. Okay. 0 into 2 power 4.
Teacher, we are wrong. Yeah, we're wrong.
0.
Okay, we are wrong.
Okay. 1 into 2 power 5.
Who says? I think it's not.
32.
Teacher, it's
Yes.
4 6. 4 6. 4 6.
Okay.
Answer is 4
The
6.
answer is 46 to the base
Yeah.
10.
Base 10. Base 10.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now what you have to do is
Yeah.
this 46.
We are just forget this one.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. It's good to make mistakes. Okay, it's good to make mistakes. Okay, 46 to the base 10 equals what to the base 8?
And we are just
No, the last one who is using the laptop.
laptop. Hey, it's okay.
Yes, you have to solve it. Yes, you have to solve it. Yes, everybody has to solve it, but he has to give the answer.
This chalk and this black box, all this. Will you come, sir? We need to divide what is 36 in a 8.
So this is the answer you got in the first step, 46. This one you are going to convert to the base 8.
Okay, wait,
Yes.
just a minute.
Everybody solve it, but that student is going to give the answer.
Teacher,
Yes, tell me.
5-1, yes?
5-1.
Yes, or not?
How do you do that? 46. You divide by
8.
8. So what do you get?
5.
Okay.
Remainder is 1.
Remainder is 1.
Teacher,
Tell me. 8 multiplied by 5, you get 40. What is the remainder?
1. 6 remainder. Sorry, teacher.
Remainder is 6.
Yeah, 5, 6.
6.
5.
6 in a.
Okay.
Oh.
That's your answer.
Just sit down.
Okay. Can we make a shortcut method? Okay, this is your homework. This is your homework. Okay.
Oh, that's good. Take a picture, please. Right. Take a photo. I think they are
This is your question homework. 110 110 to the base 2 equal to what to the base 16. So what is the first step?
First step is to
Convert to the base 10. Convert to the base 10. Okay. So this 1 into 2 goes 0, 1 into 2 goes 1, 0 into 2 goes 2, 0 into 2 goes 3, 1 into 2 goes 4, 0 into 2 goes 5, 1 into 2 goes 6, 1 into 2 goes 7, and add everything. And after that, converting to base 10, you divide all by 16.
yeah.
Okay?
That's good.
So we move to the next one. We are going to discuss more about shortcut methods. Listen, we are going to discuss more about the shortcut methods. Okay. So we are going to divide the binary digits into group of 3. Okay. Right? So convert each group of 3 binary digits to one octal digit. Or maybe if it is hexadecimal means you can group it into 4. Okay, so if you have to convert it to a octal conversion from binary to octal means, so you have to group it into 3. Okay, starting from right, you have to group it into 3. And for conversion of binary to hexadecimal means, starting from right, you have to group it into 4. Okay, so this is the shortcut method. Listen, 1 0 triple 1 0 to the base 2 gives what to the base 8?
It's next method, yes?
This is octal.
Octal, yeah, we understand. Yes.
How do you do that?
Without converting to 10 bases,
Yes, without converting to decimal 10, and after that you can convert from 10 to 8. Okay, that is the normal conversion.
it's long way, yes?
What is the shortcut method?
Wait.
See, what is the normal conversion of binary to octal? What is the normal conversion of binary to octal? From base 2 to base 8, how do you convert normally?
Normally, it's we convert to base 10.
Okay, then to base 10, and after that you convert it to base 8.
Yes, it's long way, yes?
Okay, now my question is, what is the shortcut method?
So we don't know.
Okay, see, listen, you have the numbers 1 0 1 1 1 0, correct? To the base.
Yeah.
You group it into 3. Okay,
Yeah.
and this one into 3.
Yeah.
Now, what is the value of 101?
101 is 1.
Haha. 101.
101 is we don't have a table right now.
I'll show you the table right now. What is 101?
Yeah. 5 is. Oh, no.
Without referring to the table, you should tell me.
56.
5. Now my question is, how do you get this 5?
Yeah, what?
How do you get 101 equal to 5?
Because, in octal number system,
See, it's very simple. See, it's very simple. 101
101 is
1 into 2 power 0. 1 0
is 0,
2
yes.
power 1
1.
0.
Okay.
0 into 2 power 1.
10. We understand, teacher. You.
Okay, 1 into 2 power 2
0,
4.
2, 4. Is 6, teacher. Next one is 6.
Okay, this one you get 5. Okay, so this one 110. What's the value?
6, teacher.
Okay, 5 6 to the base 8.
8. Oh, we understand. Yeah.
This is a shortcut method.
I was guessing.
Okay, everybody solve this one.
Oh, right now we solve.
Yes.
2.
How do you group this one? No, where do you start? The group?
We can divide this.
Yes.
Then
101.
Can use
And you know it's 1 and 2 0 here. 2 0. 2 0.
20. Very good. You add 20.
Yes. Oh, it's good. Yes.
Okay. What's
You know,
the
it's
1052.
2.
what is 001? What is 001?
Yeah, 2 is 2.
1.
4.
Huh?
001. 1.
1.
What is 101?
5.
5.
6.
010.
2. 0.
Yes. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Okay.
Why is first one is 1?
First one 001.
I understand. Sorry.
Okay.
Understand. Okay.
Okay. Now my question is 562 to the base 8 equal to what to the base 2?
Okay. 5 is 101.
5 is
101.
okay.
6 is 110.
110.
2 is
101.
1 010.
010. So the answer is 101 110 010 to the base. Okay. How about others? How about others? Did you all understand?
Always.
How about others? Did you all understand?
Yes.
Do you have any clarifications? Do you have any doubts?
Those.
Yes, I have no.
Okay.
The
The last part of today's class. Shortcut method for binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay. So, what is the difference between binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal? What is the difference? What is the difference between binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal?
Different is 8 octal. Hexadecimal is 6.
Yes. Okay. How do you group?
4.
Okay. Right. Starting from the right, we are going to group this 4.
Yes. 4.
Okay.
4 digit.
Okay.
Okay, so very good. Four. Okay.
Okay. How do you group this one?
4.
4.
1 0 0 1 1
What is the value of this one?
You know, teacher is 1. Alright. 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4. 13. No, 13. AC, yes?
AC?
No, 8. D3 or what?
He says it's
What is What does A stands for?
11.
A stands for 10.
11.
10.
11.
1 0 1 0. Correct.
Yay!
B stands for 1 0
1
1 1. C stands for
1 1 0 1
1 1 0 0.
0 0. Yay!
D stands for 1 1 0 1. E stands for 1 1 1 0.
G 3.
F stands for 1 1 1 1. Correct?
Yeah, correct. Teacher, answer is D3, yes?
D.
D and 3. It's correct?
Correct.
Okay.
See, there is a convention. How do you designate A, B, C, D, E, and F? Okay. You remember? See, listen, everybody, listen. For A, you write it as 1 0 1 0. Okay. With B, you add 1 to it. You add 1 to it. So it becomes 1 0 1 1. Are you all guys listening?
Teacher.
See, you add 1 to it. You add 1 to it, so you get 1 0 1 1.
Yeah.
So, in order to get C, you add 1 to it. So, 1 1 plus 1, you get 1 1 0 0. And to C, in order to get D, you add 1 to it. So, you get 1 1 0 1. In order to get E, you add 1 to it. So, 1 1 1 0. And F, you add 1 to it, you get 1 1 1 1. So, this 1 1 0 1 is this one, D,
Yes.
and 0 0 1 1, it is 3. So, it is D3 to the base 16.
Yeah, got it.
Everybody is going to solve right now.
Okay, 1 1.
Keep silent, please.
I request all the students to try. Even if you made mistakes, also it is fine. But everybody should try.
Can you show again?
It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
What's up with it? How do you spell it?
Yeah. Yes. Next. Teacher, answer is SA5.
SA5.
Sorry, yes.
C, teacher.
C,
A,
C,
5.
5.
A or not? No, 5 AC.
5
5 AC.
A,
Sorry.
C.
Yeah, it's true. This is true. Yes?
Say, okay. For your convenience, this we are going to group, this 4 and this 3, this one you are going to add 0.
Sir, yeah. Yeah.
So this becomes 5.
5,
This becomes
yes.
A. Okay. And yes, it is C.
Yeah.
To the base 16.
You see?
Yes, it is correct. Okay. So we are going to go with the conversion of hexadecimal to binary.
We understand you. We understand you. We Teacher, can I?
Yes, you can solve it. 2AB to the 16 equal to what to the base 2?
Right now.
Yes.
What is that? BX?
2AB to the base 16 equal to what to the base 2?
Teacher, we are ready.
Teacher,
Can you switch up your
okay. Tell me what's the answer?
Mana, yes. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0.
This 2, what you are going to write? 0, 0?
Teacher, our camera is, you can say,
You can see which camera we are trying to
our camera.
0, 0, 1, 0, yeah, it is correct. And 1, 0, 1, 0, yes, it is correct. And then the third one? The third part? 1, 0, 1, 1, did you write 1, 0, 1, 1? Yes, it is correct.
Yeah.
It is correct. Okay, so it is 1, 0, 1, 0.
1, 0, 1, 0.
1, 0, 1, 1.
1.
Yeah.
The base 2.
Of 2, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is your homework.
A, B, C.
A, B.
If you watch 1 minute, we can cover it.
Sorry.
You can, if you can watch us, you can solve it.
You are going to solve it now?
Yes. Yeah, my friend is going.
Solve. Okay. As many as you want, you can solve.
Teacher,
Yes.
switch our camera.
Yes. Very good. It is correct. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 to the base.
It's true.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So finally, we are going to end with this table. There is actually the relationship among decimal, hexadecimal, binary, and octal. So for decimal, it is 0 to 16, and for hexadecimal, it is 0 to 9, and after that is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. Binary, it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we are going to write it. Okay. And octal, it is 0 to 7, and after that there is no 8 and 9. Okay. So you have to write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and after that it's 20. But normally, only it will be from 0 to 7 only.
It's the easiest way of this.
Yes. So this is actually the relationship among decimal, hexadecimal, binary, as well as octal number system.
Yes.
Right. So I think I gave you one homework, okay? So you can solve right now and you can leave the session.